Hi everybody, welcome. Today I just wanted to let you know the video that's going to be following me talking here is not from this storm right here. It's from last week's storm because we've been so busy over the last week. I just haven't had a chance to get it posted on there, but so I just wanted to let you know on that. And now today we got about 8 to 12 inches coming today. It's a really weird one though, because supposedly it's supposed to turn into rain and sleet later, and then it's supposed to be up in like the 40 degree area. So it's interesting. We'll get back to you on this one. We'll see if we do a video regarding today's storm, but enjoy this video, and thanks again. We'll see you soon.
Yeah, I'm using a shovel right now because he doesn't have time to use a snow blower.
Gotta go to work later, probably snow blow tomorrow. Still snowing. So just get some paths, otherwise it gets trampled, or all the footprints and stuff. It makes it harder to move later on. So just before I start, bringing stuff out.
The second one.
Yeah, if we don't clear off this close to the door, then underneath it, once the snow falls off the roof, falls on top of that, and the snow that comes off the roof is really hard, so then it's hard to, remove. So this, because if it gets up too high, then the door doesn't open, or I have to chip it all away because it's like ice. So even though it's still snowing in the floor, better off just getting some out of the way now. And then it won't be there later. So. get some beautiful pictures anyway today, nice and white.
Mm-hmm.
We had a little snow the other day, just like that top coated like the ice that's in here, and it almost worked as makes it so the ice isn't as slippery. So it just kind of like coated the top. So now this one here is nice and fluffy. The other day it wasn't. But the other day was like less than an inch, but it was just like kind of like ice pellets on the top.
Right.
Water balls way over here. They jump around, move everything. You guys move everything. And then somebody must sit in the thing.
Maybe get a top one. Yeah.
Maybe these guys down at the bottom should always get the bottom one. That
That'd be
one's so
fun.
light, they can move it around and lift it. Hi, you out in the snow, huh? Come on, you guys get under shelter.
Yeah, the chicken doesn't like it so much when it snows. Look, let's see how it got frozen just from this morning.
And I just dump it off to the side because I don't want to be running over the ice later with a snowblower and stuff. Not too bad for these guys. It used to be about a 12 to 15 inch long 2x4. And I think somebody gets here while the other is standing here. I think all four of them work on this together. We should put another one in and start selling stuff like this. It'd be nice little collectibles.
Wait, I wrap it.
So this is the afternoon watering routine. What you saw a couple videos ago was the morning. where we did the water and the feed. This is just the afternoon where we top everything off. If the water is frozen, we just dump it out. And especially for the ducks, because they kind of get a new fresh one, because then they like to swim a little bit in it and drink some more. Although they got enough snow that takes care of them. But their water, when they drink it, they drink and eat same time. So when they're drinking it, now their feed gets into the into the water. So they're cleaning out the inside of their mouth.
And they love it. Look at, they love the cold.
Oh, they're so funny.
Nobody come outside.
It's slushy and somebody's got a footprint inside there. See, it's just one footprint. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Let's see that footprint right in here. So a little bit dirty here. They sometimes one of them or more of them poop in it, and sometimes they don't. Sometimes it's clean, and I just put in. Today was a little bit dirtier. But again, they don't get much more. That's enough for the rest of the day.
Yeah, they don't even come outside. They stay inside and run. I mean, they stay inside the coop, not run.
Yeah. Ah, the snow came on. You guys did pretty good. Anybody laying yet? Yeah. Nobody yet. Put a nest box in there. Should be soon. They're looking like they're gonna lay soon. This one still be a while, but you see they're not too red yet on the comb. Once they start to get a little bit red in there in their face, their wattle and their comb, you can see. So this one, still probably a little ways away, huh? There's one in there that looks like only like days away, nice and red on the top. Same same breed. We don't have our broody hen inside here today. She's out and about. So 7 so far. These guys usually get anywhere from just a dozen to like just over. So probably still a few more left to lay today.
They're pretty good size.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like they used to be all small. And when I say small, if you go into the store, they're large eggs. We call them small because like these guys are the older ones at number 4. Lay like jumbo large.
Oh.
We got an egg outside.
Yeah, we switched to nest.
Dee Dee made a new nest box for these guys in here, rather than their the totes that we had in there. So it's new and it's blocked off at the end
And this is
Right
the
here.
first day.
First day, yeah. There's at least one more like inside.
Yeah.
There
Okay.
too. But here, when the shavings, can't get knocked out, a little bit can, how they scratch and stuff. So, some of them will come out, but it'll stay fairly clean. That's why one of them, yes, one of them laid just outside of the hoop, and then there's at least one that's inside, and then see already that there are some in the nest box itself. So
Yeah.
I'll grab those.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's just standing on her.
What's that? I gotta just put the water in.
Oh. Probably not much today because things change.
Yeah.
So they.
We got a dinosaur in here.
That one cracked. Huh?
Yep. There's still just over a dozen altogether.
You need to go in there and get it?
No,
I'm smaller than you.
Are you? I'm more agile.
Okay.
Excuse me, girls.
Yeah, somebody still,
Yeah, 3 of them in the back there. The things I do for these hens, crawling through their poop. Hey. So those they're a little bit wet and stuff, but Dee Dee will clean those right away and get them in the carton. So. All right, and we go collect number 4, and then head over to 5. That's it for now, and then she'll come out later.
Doc is laughing at you.
Yeah, that's Diamond. Diamond takes after her mom, Lily. Lily used to be loud and laughing like that all the time. Today everybody lay in the same spot. Or the ones that laid so far. And somebody was just sitting in here. See, that probably can't tell on the video, but they're a lot larger than what's in the store. And best of all, they're fresh. Mm-hmm. Careful, slippery at the bottom. All right, well, thanks for watching, everybody. This is our first, it's really not the first snowstorm. You know, we did have others that were, you know, like, what do we have, like 3 or 4 inches, like one time? I mean, this is supposed to be about 3 inches, probably end up being a little bit more. But I guess you'd consider it the first real one of the season, but it's definitely the first one of this year. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave us some comments, any feedback, any other stuff that you might like, that you might want to watch, and don't forget to subscribe, like us, share us, all your social media. But enjoy, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.